Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. You know what I can forget to do sometimes is swap out my old toothbrush for a new one. But this 12 pack of toothbrushes from Colgate that I found on Amazon has been a huge help with that. This is an incredible value. I'll never buy my toothbrushes in this store again. I couldn't believe it when I found these for such a competitive price. These are a medium-sized brush head. One thing I like about how the brush head is designed is it comes to a point. I find that this makes it easy to get behind your rear molars into those really hard to reach spaces. Some of the brush heads that are wider just are a little bit more difficult to manipulate. I like the grips on the handle. It's very comfortable in your hand. And now when I need to swap out my toothbrush, rather than forgetting every time I go to the store, I can just go to my cabinet and get a new one. So I would totally recommend getting these. You will set yourself up for a long time so you have a fresh and clean toothbrush all the time. And that's my point of view.